right, so what do you want to happen today?
Well, I made several filings last night. I was hoping you had the opportunity to review. One of them is a notice of multiple courts and jurisdictional issues. This court doesn't even have jurisdiction over the case. Previously in Lamar County, the 6th District Court transferred the case out on November 5th, 2014. Any orders after that point are absolutely void. The court continued to issue orders while the court was
Where did Lamar County transfer this case to?
well, they didn't have the authority to transfer the case because the case had already been removed to federal court on August the 9th of 2018, where the case is still.
This case involving Aiden was removed to federal court?
Yes, sir.
Why was that?
Because they kept issuing orders from a court that did not have jurisdiction. It was removed on the Civil Rights Removal Statute 28 U.S.C. 1443.
Which federal court did this go to?
The Eastern District of Texas, and it is currently in the 5th Circuit.
It's in the 5th Circuit.
Yes, sir.
Over what issue?
Appealing the remand order. The Civil Rights Removal Statute is the only removal statute with full right of appellate review. But what I would like to point out that you do have jurisdiction over is my counterclaim for a request for protective order due to the abuse that my son has endured over the last year. And he's here and wants to testify. He's been trying to speak to a judge for the last year. He would like to do it either in camera, in your chambers, or he would like to do it on the stand. He would like to speak to you to tell you everything that he's had to go through.
You have a lawyer involved in your federal case?
Nope, just me. But you can look all up on Pacer. Let's see. Here's a docket. I don't have it marked as an exhibit right now, but we can. I also have a notice of appeal that was just filed on February the 20th. Would you like to bring it up to you?
You can hand that notice of appeal to the bailiff.
Yeah, with that. You want to hear from me, Judge, or you?
No, it's not at the moment. What's the specific order that you seek to modify?
The final rendering of the non-pro-time order was signed in August.
I'm sorry?
The final rendering, the very final order in the case in Lamar was transferred up here with a non-pro-time order. It was signed in August. It reflected what was signed. It reflected the outcome of the hearing in May. It was first signed in June. They did an non-pro-time to correct the style of the case in August.
Which,
2018?
Yes, sir.
which took
And what's the name of that order?
Non-pro-time order is suit to modify parent-child relationships.
Okay.
which was an order issued after the court had lost jurisdiction. The case had been removed to federal court. The judge was acting without jurisdiction, and he knew it, not when he was out local. Plus, you can't get enough substantive and jurisdiction of the court acting in the wrong court, which I pointed out for years was what was going on. So for state and federal law, that word can't exist. The legal nullity is void, it's logical. What I would like to point out is, for the only possible valid order, my son's primary residence is Paulding County. I showed that primary custody of him over 4 years ago.
Do you have a hard copy of that?
Yes, sir.
Take a look at it. Let me ask you this. Child's name's Aiden Glenn Forrest Wright, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Is that your child?
It's my child.
Is that your child?
Yes, sir.
Is that her child?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Issues concerning the parent-child relationship within the jurisdiction of state courts, did you know that?
It is.
Pardon me?
It is.
Okay.
the civil rights renewal statute is your direct route to challenge an unconstitutional state statute or statutory scheme. Once removed, the state court loses all jurisdiction. They can't do anything whatsoever. The attorney can't even withdraw.
What makes you think that?
Because that's what the law states.
Hmm?
That's what the law states.
What law is that?
The removal law.
What removal law?
1447, I believe. I'd have to look up the exact, if you want to look up the,
So it takes a suit affecting the parent-child relationship out of a state court to a federal court. Is that what you're telling me?
yes, sir. At least temporarily. The civil rights renewal statute is
Civil rights. What civil rights are we talking about here?
familial rights, family rights,
Family rights.
the right to
What does that mean?
the right to a parent-child relationship.
Well, you already told me you have one. You do and she does. So,
An equal,
no problem there.
an equal parent-child relationship. We're talking about the 14th Amendment.
What does equal mean?
Shared equal parenting, constitutional shared.
Pardon me?
Constitutional shared equal parenting.
That's not in the Constitution.
Well, equal application of the laws is.
Pardon me?
Equal application of the laws is. There's also a due process clause that you cannot infringe upon the natural.
Our due process is being denied.
The due process,
Yeah.
the state court would be infringing upon the natural, fundamental, unalienable parent-child relationship without the proper due process of first finding one or both parents to be seriously unfit by clear and convincing evidence.
So courts shouldn't deal with parent-child relationship at all then, is that correct? Shouldn't go to court at all?
Well, no, I mean, if you need to, you have to figure out how to do that. If you did, then that's what you would do. There were three distinct constitutional.
Where are these state courts running afoul of constitutional protections?
They're not following the proper due process for one.
What due process?
What I just told you, the first allege and then define one or both parents seriously unfit by clear and convincing evidence before you infringe upon that right to a relationship.
Whose right's that?
That is my right. That's my son's right. That's her right.
A right to what now?
A parent-child relationship. Of which she has denied my son and I for many, many years. What I would also like to point out,
Well, apparently the court didn't think so back in 2018.
and I filed for a motion to correct plain errors as well as the appeal. So it is in the Fifth Circuit right now. What we for sure know is that the state court does not have jurisdiction. But what I would also like to point out is the order transferring the suits back in Lamar County. This is Exhibit C of my notice of multiple courts and jurisdictional issues.
What about it?
Well, this is when the 6th District Court transferred the case forever out of the 6th District Court. That also goes on
That the
to,
court did?
yes, the state court did. And then it also went on to subsequent orders where I refused the county court of law, which was the next court I went to. And then it went back to Mary Murphy, the administrative judge, who sent it back down to the 62nd District Court, where it was set for a jury trial. That still to this day never happened in Lamar County. We have so many jurisdictional issues that we're so far off the reservation that it's crazy.
Counsel, what got the case here at Parker County?
They transferred it up here from Lamar County in light of the fact that the mother has residence in Parker County.
Okay, and child was with her during that time, right? Child enrolled in school in Parker County previously?
Yes, sir.
Illegally.
Previous to the transfer?
She's guilty of 4 years of interference with child custody.
Has the child attended a school in Parker County at all?
Yes, sir.
Up to this point?
Yes, sir, for 4 years.
Illegally, without permission of any court.